Tips from the hips, the best tips and hips on the internet. So today I'm going to be trying to mimic an old feeling with this piece of wood. It's a sign that I'm doing for a charity build, and I want it to make it look as if it's years old. So what I've already done is I put an undercoat on it. I've put 2 coats of top coat, and I've put a 3rd coat of top coat here, all different colours. So the undercoat was white, and I've got a base layer of sort of a creamy, wheaty type colour. And I'm struggling to open this tin of paint. And I've got the red on top of that, and now I'm going for it's a greenish type of colour, creamy green. And I'm not going to worry too much about how well I get it on, because the idea is we'll knock that back later with some sandpaper. Now all the previous layers were water based, and so I've left them plenty of time to thoroughly dry before I dab on this oil based gold paint, and dabbing it on just leaves it having a kind of blistered effect as if it's already old. And when it's all dry, use some abrasive to knock back any edges which might have been worn down over time. And you see you cut through the various layers of paint. It just makes it look a bit older. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now. And if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes.